What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling out here again as usual. So right now we're in Maroon again. Remember the last video I'm showing you guys basically come here, but the falls was basically under some construction. So right now we're back here again today guys to basically show you guys the up and running of the fall right now. So basically just scope out and showing you guys the area, showing you guys everything what go on, you understand? So if you guys basically missed that video, we can click link above to basically watch that. Yeah, I've been here. So you guys can see that if you want to basically see what I go on. So right now we're in Maroon again. We'll check out the falls right now. So stay tuned guys and make sure I'm gonna keep it locked. Remember to subscribe to the channel guys for more content like this. So we're out here again, so we're on the crew. So as usual we have Chengo.
Go for Nanny Falls, you know?
Yeah man.
No.
We have Dylan the same way.
You want to go for Nanny Falls?
Yeah man, so we're on the crew basically. I will take you guys for a tour, so make sure stay tuned. Or this the goat. Chocolate.
Then they can eat.
Them lighted. Kitchen. Guys, we are going pantry here. Real Jamaican chocolate, See there? Look, delicious. I think no from them ripe. Understand? On the way here, yeah, a whole heap of them go across. Chocolate, I'm showing you guys a closer look what I've gone on the tree. So these are some young ones still. You can see right there. So. Nice, có gì thế nó. Yeah guys, right now finally reaching now at the Nanny Falls. As you guys can see, it was a pretty good journey, half a walk. Finally reach right now. So I'm showing you guys the fall just in a bit. Understand? As me I say, there was some construction here. Finally finished now. Showing you guys what I'm going on the fall. So I'm going. So once you come here, you can see and name them right here. So some people you come here. As you can basically see. Yeah, so you can see guys. The fall. See your name? Oh. Come on. Guys, can I sit down here, steady? Step. How much can I hear?
Look, no man. You want that one?
Come on. Yeah, guys. Let's take them now. Yeah. Really don't can roll on pan. So guys, we're doing right now.
People are going to see out there. Them out there out there anyway.
Nanny,
Yeah.
video by.
What?
Pause the people. Oh, see also Anita. So, build this structure over it. Nice. You know guys, what I go on, you know? Understand? Guys, so right now on the Nanny Falls right now. So I'm showing you guys some epic shot out here same way, showing you guys basically what I go and see it of people. Nice. Go on, go over there. Take a swim, showing you guys what I go on, you know? Yeah. Go up on the falls, that's it. So I go on. You know what? Let's go back. I'll go for you now. Yeah. Reach on. Yeah. want a sip, you know? Rock sip, you know, so I know that. Guess what, man? Falls heavy. Yeah, man, I want to look dangerous. Heavy.
Faster idea, you know.
Go on. Change your water heavy. Right, yeah. Paper. Massive. Second one. Touch it. Massive, massive, massive. Massive. Water refreshing, you know. Going to the people, that's it. That's how you do my good right now. In there, sir? No, no. Nice, are we pressing, you know? Oscar! Yeah, I'm pizza right now. a beat out. Lewat kan? Oke. Oh. Ini? Oh ya pun. Pada mau ah? Oke. As I say, people, waterfalls heavy, you see it? So, you have two chances, you know, to go in night. You understand? Cause, you know, over the past weekends, you know, some rain that fall. So, you know, some rain fall, water basically get heavy. Say that fall basically beat you, you know, say, you really get beat. You understand? So, don't want to go in night still, you see it? Because I don't know how deep it is. So, I don't have a chance it today. Understand? So right now we head up back now, showing you guys what I go and see me. Is it? I like it to experience still. Don't know, but I have improvements with these. So really anything there. You can look over. I don't know. Yeah. It's a good look so far. It's a good look. It's a great little adventure, you know. Right here in Motown. You see it, people. I understand.
Just I left in Nanny Falls.
Yeah, man.
Just I go back down, you see me?
Yeah, man. Is it? And the way I know. Yeah. It was a good look, my people. You understand? Come check it out. You don't know. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Get some bad picture. Post on the gram later. Don't know. Make sure you send you guys. Follow me on the gram, you see it? Ackeem Sterling, you don't know. Big bad content, them, you understand? Bread box same way. Chengo done. Yeah, on the IG. So look out for them picture there, you know? Yeah, look out for them.
Oh,